Alright, I gotta change my routines, my rituals. Dang, right now 78 freaking degrees, and I've been doing all my reading, writing, working out, getting my vitamins and my damn food and all that stuff in the morning, and wasting the morning and not keeping my eye on the damn ball. I need to get that dang mobile home done. I guess I'm gonna have to, when it's freaking 90 degrees at 6 o'clock, I guess I'll start messing with what I want to mess with, or I won't. I need to get my mind back on the ball here, quit playing around. Now this battery on this truck was kind of weak. I gave it that charge with that sucker down to 11.9. Let's see if the old girl will fire up. She's a good old truck, but she needs a damn starter rebuilt, or carburetor rebuilt. Wait a second. Going down the carburetor, running across the manifold, going into the pistons evenly. 11.9, eh? Well, I guess it ain't been lit in a few days. Ooh. You can hear it too, boys. Well, like I say, I'm dang changing my damn rituals up. My dang. It's gonna take a minute to get it all going again, I guess. Freaking glad I bought that badass charger. I wanted it for years. Freaking, when the old lady was up dying in the bed, I didn't even realize that I'm out buying battery chargers and shit. Let's go ahead and just start this puppy. Oh, we got a nice bright light now. Ugh. A little more gas trickling down through the old intake into them old... I say this thing ain't been lit in... Damn. At least a week. I'll go up front, get the old powerhouse going. Alright, I shut this turd off for a few minutes, went back in and got some water and stuff. Like I say, it's changing everything over, doing work in the mornings because of the heat. It's changing stuff up. Not a problem. Morning, darling. Dang, your flowers are looking good. Life is a highway. Put the start on. Put the choke on. put the muscle on. Ah. Yeah, she looked better than she did a couple months ago, I'll tell you that. I forget, I think the lowest this thing went was 60. We shall see. That bitch will come off 80.4 in a big hurry, I bet you. Already down to 75 in a big hurry. Feels pretty cool. Oh shit. I think that damn Jenny's going out. I think the old Jenny's going out on us, boys. Well, it appears I got to abort mission and either work on this here generator or throw my other generator on there, because I got two generators. And I'll have to make a decision, which I suck at making decisions. They call me Mr. Procrastinator. So I get to learn more about a generator. Thank God for the internet. Because back in the day, I'd have had to call her daddy, and her daddy is with her. Gone. They don't talk much lately. Hate to tease these dogs, but I'm gonna go get my mail. I guess it's true. Life's a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. Anyhow, I'd rather have this happening right now when it's cool than when it's gonna be 110 degrees here in a couple hours. 'Cause damn. Could be worse. Always could be worse. Alright, I checked out some videos on this generator, and I might be able to fix it and I might not, but I am gonna have to take it off here anyway. To fix it or scrap it or whatever. It's still a good motor, And I got another generator in there, which is actually a little bigger, not size wise, but wattage. It's a 9,000. I think it's a 85.7. So I need to figure where I'm gonna throw this off at to work on it later. Alright, I got this fucker over here. Damn. Like I said, I might be able to fix it. I might not, but I ain't dinking with it right now. Either way, I'm not gonna die. Get it up here in here more and take them legs out, or tires off. Then we'll bolt her down. Alright, I got her on there, but I got one problem. Sucker's about shit, not even a ½ inch taller. You need to take some out of this or bring this up. Just that little bit taller, Bo. Damn it. That really sucks. I'm starting to sweat bullets. I don't know what we got here. 79, right? Is it 79? It's only 80 degrees out. 9:22. I say only 80 degrees because I believe it's going up pretty high today. We're going to 100 no. Dang high of 97. And it'll say real fuel 112. I guess that's what I'm gonna do. Finish the morning dam. Getting this top so it fits on here again. Get all my shit put up for the heat, and I can get on with what the shit I promised myself I'd do every day. Working out and taking care of business. I might as well take that top right on off, cause it's gonna hit. But let's see what I can fuck up. I'll get this over there, get that lid fixed, get the back on this thing. I forgot I had to take off that handle too. I took that handle off. I'll put this shit on that other generator. And hopefully I can fix that other generator. Alright. Whew. Let's give me a little more room to play over here. I don't know when I'll get to fixing that generator. I guess this ain't no Jenny room anymore for right now. But I'm still standing, I guess. I'm still standing. Yeah. Woo! It ain't the fucking. It ain't the heat. It's the damn humidity. All right, I raise it up one more. Just this one more board. I raised it up one more of these, and it barely cleared that sucker. I mean barely. It's hitting a little bit right there where it's warped. Reason I left it warped like that was because I didn't want to put more weight on it. But yeah, I thought about that when I was halfway through it. If I was going high enough, and I said hell with it and kept going like a ding dong. But I oiled the hell out of it, top and bottom, inside and out. I didn't get much in that slot there because I didn't go down the side of that one. But I'm gonna go ahead and oil up down that and this and hit this top. I didn't hit the top before ever. It was already treated wood, but you can see how treated it was. I'll dang lube this up and get them tires and handling stuff on that generator so I can get it put in the shed. And it's freaking 11 o'clock, boys. It's getting hot on us. I don't know what they're saying. Like I say, the humidity's the killer. 79. I find that hard to believe. I might be able to do some other things out here. There you go, 91. I was gonna say 91 feels like 99, and you ain't lying. Anyhow, I'm gonna wrap this up. I'll get that Jenny put up first since I already got the thing on this. I won't have to worry about rain. I'll get that stuff put on there, get that put up, and pull over there where I got the air compressor, and blow this off and soak the hell out with used oil, I guess. And then I can get back to the beginning. Maybe tomorrow morning I can get out there. Hell, everybody knows how stuff comes up. Anyhow, redneck time. Well, I did all my rituals. Sun's off the back. Oh man, pretty warm out here. My goodness. I got this finished up. Actually looks like I stained the dang thing. Dang, it's warm out here. I want to work on the Cougar a while too. Stay sharp, keep your nose clean, and oh nobody. That's living, baby.
This is a horse inside a horse walker, a machine built to keep him walking in circles all day. One day, he figures out the machine only works if he keeps cooperating with it. The machine never stopped running, and the horse just stopped believing he had to. He took his power back. Humans face the same choice every day. Sometimes the biggest prison isn't the system around us. It's the belief that we have no choice but to keep walking in circles. Many of us spend our entire lives running in circles, chasing money, status, and approval without ever asking who told us we had to. Sometimes freedom begins the moment you realize the machine only works if you keep participating. The moment you realize you don't have to keep walking in circles. The machine doesn't disappear. You just stop giving it control over your direction.